Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to check which website is accessing your location in your Google Chrome browser on your Android device. So for this guys, just you need to open the Google Chrome browser on your device. After opening, on the top right side corner you can see three dots, just tap on it. From here you need to open settings. In the settings guys, scroll down and here you can get the option site settings, just tap on it. And here you can get the option location, just tap on it. And here you can get all list of websites, which website was accessing your location. If you want to block, if you want to stop that website to access your location, just tap on that website. And here you can get the option to block, just tap on block, that's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to check and find out which websites are accessing your location on your Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. This is a short but very informative video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.